Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P9 Lite, and I'll show you how to change photo resolution on this device. So first you should go into the camera application and slide simply with your finger to the left side. Here you can see the different types of the resolution, for example the 4 and 3. Now we'll just check that. So that's just regular standard mode of the photo resolution. Also we can change it to 16 and 9. That will be like the full screen photo. So as you can see, we can use here the full screen of our device camera just to take a picture. And also here we got the 1 and 1. That's the regular square. So as you can see, we can use the square to just to take a picture. And that's it. That's how to change the photo resolution on our HUAWEI P9 Lite. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.